Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install plugins in Adobe After Effects. You can install plugins or extensions, also called add-ons, for Creative Cloud application from the Creative Cloud desktop app. Adobe Extension Manager is no longer available to install plugins. You can install plugins using your business profile or your personal profile. However, note the following. If you install plugins using your personal profile, you can use these plugins when you are signed into your business profile. If you install plugins using your business profile, you cannot use these plugins when you are signing into your personal profile. You will need to install the plugin separately using your personal profile. Before you install a plugin or extension, make sure that you have installed the Creative Cloud app to which you are adding it. For example, if you are installing an extension for Photoshop, install Photoshop first. First, download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Second, go to the Stock and Marketplace tab and then select plugins. If you have a Creative Cloud for Education subscription, go to the Marketplace tab and then select all plugins in the left sidebar. Third, search for plugin. Fourth, when you find a plugin you will like to install, select Get or Learn More. Fifth, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the install. Sixth, after you have successfully installed a plugin or extension, if you can't locate it, go to My Exchange, select the extension and navigate to the section where to find it. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.